Good morning. I am at JFK Airport. I am going to the bathroom. Be right back, okay. Good morning, guys.
The next train arriving on track 2 is for all airline terminals and all connecting flights.
So I just came from Sao Paulo, Brazil. I was on a flight for 9 hours. My layover is like 9 hours or 10 hours or something like that. So there's no point of staying in the airport. So I decided to leave and go explore Manhattan and see how much I can do, how much I can eat in like 5 hours. I'm now on the Jamaica train about to head into city center, and I'm gonna try to do and see and eat as much as I can in New York City. Now, I have been to New York before twice, so this is the third time, and this is the shortest amount of time I've ever had in New York because this isn't really a trip that I planned, you know what I mean? I'm mainly going into the city to eat, let's be honest. I'm not gonna lie, the weather is pretty gloomy and it's pretty shitty. It's a little bit rainy. So yesterday was supposed to be nice and tomorrow is supposed to be sunny, but unfortunately I picked the day where it is rainy and gloomy. It is a bit cold, but I think we can survive. So now it is 9 o'clock. I just arrived at Penn Station, which is pretty much in Midtown Manhattan, and I think I have pretty much almost 5 hours in the city. So let's see what I can do and what I can eat in 5 hours in New York City. First things first, I need to get some coffee. Starbucks. Alright, I got my coffee. Here we go. I feel like you're not really walking around New York unless you're holding a big cup of coffee in your hands. Am I right though? Whew, it's hot. It's not just drizzling, it is full on raining. I bought an umbrella. That's my souvenir. We're just gonna head to get some food. I was gonna get some food first, but the place that I want to go to is not open yet, so I'm actually heading to Times Square. Here we are in Times Square. It's not the best place when it's raining, but I guess it's pretty cool if you've never been here before. This is the Unchicken Griller. I am now in Chelsea. I'm heading to Chelsea Market, which will be an indoor market, which is the main reason why I'm going. And also, I've never actually been there. And also, they have some vegan food options. So I ate half of that sandwich at Blossom du Jour, and it was pretty good, but I have the other half in my bag because I want to eat more food. So I think the other half of that sandwich I'll save for dinner because I wanted to eat some food here. So I'm at Chelsea Market, and at least this is a new touristic experience for me. This place is pretty cool, guys. Surprised I haven't been here before. They have a lot of different locations, restaurants. So these are the vegan noodles. These are handmade noodles. Look how great it looks. With mock duck. So it's fake duck. Alright guys, so the soup is really good. The noodles are really chewy chewy and delicious. Flavors are there. The mock meat is tasty. I think the only thing that I would complain about is that it's a little bit too salty for my taste. Like it's like super salty, so I definitely cannot finish all the soup. But everything else is really good. It's cool that they're making their own noodles. The noodles are so chewy and delicious. Now I'm just walking along 5th Avenue, doing some shopping. Guys, I didn't even realize, but now I'm in Rockefeller Center. So there's another touristy location. It's finally stopped raining mostly. It's a bit misty still, but anyways, this is Rockefeller Center. This right here, guys, is the I think it's St. Patrick's Cathedral. It's just right on 5th Avenue. And 5th Avenue is a huge shopping avenue. Tons and tons of shops. And if it was nice out, I would go to Central Park, but it is just not nice, so there's no point of going to Central Park. But there is St. Patrick's Cathedral. Now let's keep walking along 5th Avenue. Okay guys, my camera died. Walking along. And here we have, guys, the New York Public Library. And this is really beautiful. And if you have not entered this, you definitely need to check it out. I'm not going to enter because I don't have time, but I have been in here before. It's really, really beautiful. So you should definitely check it out. And here is Bryant Park, which is located right behind the New York Public Library. I really like this park. I think it's really, really beautiful, especially considering it's right in the center. And it's just kind of like a nice peaceful area in the middle of a very busy New York City. Final stop, Beyond Sushi. I'm just gonna grab something to go. Beyond Sushi. Of course, I can't come to New York and not stop by. It's actually a really nice little restaurant here. I've only been to the other location. Alright guys, so I'm still full. So I got 2 rolls to go. I just had to stop by Beyond Sushi because it's, I don't know, I just love sushi. So anytime I get a chance to get some vegan sushi that's like more than an avocado roll, then I'm all for it. So I got the chickpea, which is right here. And then this is the something mushroom, mighty mushroom, I think.